Hey guys, we're doing a team draw now for the 6 box break. It's 7:57, 46 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants first. We're going 12 times. The reason I do both the participant list and a team list in a random is because that is the only foolproof way to prove that things are not rigged. I do believe things can be altered or, just routines. A pattern comes up. It's only one list, so you know what spot to always pick, and I don't like that. So I do a random of both lists. 6. Oops. Come on. Come on. You're going to be a random or what? There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yonk. Random. Oops. Random is complete. The teams are Nick Powell with the Knicks, Ken Myers Pacers, Wilco with the Celtics, Johnny Deegan Warriors, Van Houten with the Nuggets and Hornets, Bowman with the Rockets, Brendan Sixers, Van Houten Clippers, Wilco Thunder, Van Houten Suns and Nets, Deegan Hawks, Spence Heat, Brendan Magic, Glenn McCubbin, Bulls, Wilco Bucks, Brendan Grizz, Adam Carter Wolves, Andrew Koch Pelicans, Michael Paul Spurs, Glenn Jackson Mavericks, Adam Carter Cavs, Brendan with Blazers and Jazz, Glenn Jackson with the Lakers, Johnny Deegan Kings, Laurie, which is Kiwi, with the Raptors, so I know he'll be whinging to me in a minute, and Dyer with the Wizards, and Paul Andrew Cotton with his team, the Pistons. Isn't that ironic? The time is 8:31. 8.